Alright, for this hack, you're going to need to use green onions, styrofoam cups, but you can use plastic cups as well. I'm using soda bottles, scissors, and a pocket knife. Okay, so step 1 would be to separate the green onions from the root. So I just cut them into pieces. For the second step, take your soda bottles, and I'm just going to cut right in the middle for both of them. So you have a bottom half and the top half. Take your scissors, kind of squeeze in the middle and make a slit. So once you've got that, you can just put the top half somewhere else. We're not really going to use it. And then take your cups, the bottom halves in this cup, and then this is a smaller cup, so this one will fit in like this way. The third step would be to put holes in the bottom so that they have like a drainage from water. My pocket knife out, poking holes in it, literally. Make however many holes you want, and just poke through really well. So around the middle right here, it's kind of difficult to poke through holes, so I usually just do around the edges. I guess what you call the flower part. So like around here, these little points, flower part. See the holes really well. Yeah, you can see some of the holes in there. Kind of hard to see, but you get the point. You get holes in this one. And then for the smaller one, holes on the bottom here. So since it's styrofoam, it's going to be a lot easier. Dang it! Alright, well, that just happened. So change of plans. So I actually found another styrofoam the same size, so that's gonna help. I already cut holes in it. Alright, the next step would be to take your green onion roots and you're gonna put it in the bottom of the soda bottles. Take this and just put it in there like that. Alright, so next, add water. Alright, so you've got the water in there. Should be like this, the levels and stuff. Alright, and then you can leave your green onion roots on the countertop. And water every couple of days whenever the water becomes low, whenever the water becomes dirty. That's when you change the water.